and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Adventures in Cooking with Crazy Marcus. I know this one may be a bit late, so I do apologise. But anyway, on with the cooking. So today, this episode, I'm going to be making a good dish. Something I go to occasionally when I go for a Chinese. That is lemon chicken. Tonight we're having it with wedges as well, so should be a very nice meal. Can't wait to do it.
It's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Okay, so the ingredients. Of course, the veggies, you could maybe have it with chips, spuds, a salad even. Butter or marge, depending on which you would prefer to use. Breaded chicken. Looks nice. Salt. A lemon, which you can cut up and use for garnishing it, making it look a bit fancy. Lemon juice. Chicken broth. Cornstarch. And some sugar. Okay guys, time to start cooking. Yeah. Okay, so you can cut them up into strips guys or leave them whole. The recipe is entirely up to you. And if you do want to be a bit more advanced, you can actually bread your own chicken, like do it fried or something. But on today's video, we're just going to be doing the sauce up. Okay guys, so that's all the chicken cut up. Now we're going to put it in the oven with the veggies. There. That can go there. Okay, so the next step now is while the chicken's cooking, we're going to prepare the lemon sauce. Okay guys, so we've just about sort of measured out our ingredients, hopefully. Anyway, you're going to start by adding 2 teaspoons of butter to a pan, if it comes off. I stand corrected guys, 2 tablespoons of butter or marge. just gonna add it into your pan. Okay then. Put the lid back on. Then to start off, you're just gonna want to melt the marge into the pan. So just kind of, actually I'll use that later. Gonna just mix it round just to make sure it all melts. If you listen quietly, you can hear it starting to sizzle. I'm trying not to get spatter. Okay, so once you've melted your butter, you're gonna start adding your ingredients. I'm gonna add the cornstarch, salt and sugar mixture first. Just gonna mix that in now. Then I'm going to add my liquid ingredients. I'm going to add the chicken broth first. Mix that in. Then mix up the lemon juice. Then you're just going to mix it until the sauce has a nice thickness but is still a bit smooth. So you're just going to add to whisk everything together, bring it up to a bit of a boil, making sure it's got a bit of thickness to it and is still smooth. Hopefully as well by the time this is ready, everything else will be ready. I can't wait to try it. Okay, so it's coming up to the boil now, so I just about done. Gonna turn my gas off. Okay then. So a couple minutes left till the chicken and veggies is done. I'm absolutely looking forward to trying it, guys. Can't wait. Okay, so everything's done. I'm going to dish up the chicken first. Smells delicious, guys. It really does smell good. If only smell of fish and everything. I honestly can't wait to get tucked in. Gonna be so gorgeous. Okay, does. Okay. Okay, next up, gonna dish up the veggies. Thank you, cameraman. Push that into that. And last one. If I can get them, that is. Last touch is just a bit of the sauce over the chicken. To finish it off. Oh, it looks delicious, guys. Really looks nice and smells nice as well. There we are. Homemade lemon chicken. Can't wait to try it. Okay, I of course forgot the finishing touch. Put a lemon on top of each one, just for a bit of presentation. Looks delicious, guys. Now, of course, in a Chinese, they would cut the lemons a bit smaller, but I'm not a cheapskate. I like to give people what they want. Time to try it out. Okay, guys, there you have it. My homemade lemon chicken. And let's see that first at trying it. Of course, it's got to have salt and vinegar on the veggies. Also got some spare sauce left over as well if we want it to be a bit more lemony. Always worries me when she goes quiet. I'll try a bit then, shut up.
I can't bloody talk mad, but yeah, it's alright.
Alright. Okay, I'm gonna try to get some of the sauce on my chicken.
A bit more.
Chicken's nicely cooked, guys. Nicely cooked. Sauce is nice and creamy and thick. Wow.
Not chipping it.
Gorgeous.
Very, very nice.
What would you give it in the rating?
Eight out of 10.
I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It is very nice. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching another episode of Adventures in Cooking with Marcus. Hit the like, hit subscribe, and remember, keep cooking.